Guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be taking a walk around one of our freshly built Rig Ready Rams, guys. So 2026 Ram 1500 Sport. It comes in that beautiful granite and night edition colorway, guys. 360 cameras. You can have your adaptive cruise control in the front. We've done a 6-inch lift up on this one with 35-inch tires. Flaps on it as well for you guys. So you're going to get that 5.7 Hemi there. Mirror lights as we get into our passenger seat here. You can see full leather all throughout. You're going to have your 10.25-inch passenger screen there for you to mess around with and learn all about that. Running board's already installed. Getting into our rear seat here, so you can see you're going to have 2 USB ports as well as heated seats in the rear. Lift up your back seat. You're going to get a ton of storage underneath your seats as well. Coming around back here, so you can see backup camera already installed. Trailer tow, soft dropping tailgate. So you're going to have bed lighting and bed hooks so you can strap down anything you might need. If your hands are loaded, you can't get the tailgate to lift up right then. Hit this button right here. It'll lift up nice and easy for you guys. Rear sliding window. Here's where you will find your fuel tank. Into the rear seat from this angle here, where you will also see you'll have your storage in your floors as well. Upgraded Harman and Kardon sound system, so it has beautiful audio all throughout this one, guys. 14.4-inch display. Full moonroof, leather wrapped wheel, all that good stuff, guys. Memory seats, heated seats, cooled seats, everything you could ask for this truck has. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.